So I'm not going to say too much about the charity. What I'm going to say is how you actually came to win the funding. And this is some information that you won't know as well. So as I said, so the Maudsley Charity Trust engaged with Croydon Beamy Forum to deliver this particular funding. And this funding was to work in 4 different boroughs, which was Croydon, Lewisham, Southwark and Lambeth. And it was, we were aiming to deliver or fund at least 20 organisations a certain amount of money to deliver the work that we're talking about today. So out of those 20 groups, we actually ended up funding 22 groups because of the good work and the good application forms that came through. So during the scoring, which I was not able to score, so before we say there was any favouritism, I was not able to score because of course I knew a lot of the groups that was actually applying for the funding. But the foundation, the Management Foundation, had to have an online interview first, so you had to do your application form, then they had to get through and do an online interview. After the online interview, they then had a face-to-face interview with 3 assessors who actually came down and spent 2-3 hours with you, about 2 hours with you. And then after that, all of the assessors who actually came together throughout those 3 months had to come together to then decide who was actually going to get the final funding. I'm happy to say, no, I'm not sure if you know this, Andrew. So out of the 40 groups, the Management Foundation came 2nd or 3rd in the process. Yeah? So out of 15, so each assessor had to score up to 15. We got 13, 14 and 14. Yeah, so really good. Really good. So which was good, which made my life easier because then on the day you went straight into the yes pile. So you didn't. So there was a yes pile, a no pile, and a maybe pile. And I was gonna, maybe do some power of persuasion if you ended up in the no pile or the maybe pile, right? But you ended up straight into the yes pile. So well done, well done, well done. And some of the feedback. I'm just gonna give you some of the feedback that they said. What some of the assessors said. You see when I'm getting old and I can't read properly. So here we go. So some of the feedback said, some young people may find working with the elderly unfamiliar or even uninteresting at first, but with the right guidance and support by the foundation, they should be able to engage. Another one is, there is significant experience in this organisation, mental health and policy. They are well connected with the council and local communities. And the last one is they are multicultural and support some of the most vulnerable people in the community with real empathy and a variety of provision. Yeah, so that's some of the feedback from the assessors. So as I said, just once again, I just want to say thank you. Let me just make sure. Yeah, just thank you, and thank you for asking me to come and speak. And it's just so nice just to see something on paper actually come to fruition, and I'm sure Sarah as well, seeing all these applications come through into where you are now, well done. And if you need us to, when you're doing all of the workshops, we're always here for you, all right? Before 9 a.m. telephone calls, of course, all right? Thank you so much.